Hello guys and hope you are. This is the Corenet lecture multimeter working 10 MHz up to 10 GHz. This is a special portable detector device. I test and compare this device with a lot of simple detector. This is one of the best. The reason is the Corenet scales with the LEDs you can find out here, and also you are able to check exactly what's going on the LCD and how much is the signal power or signal strength that coming from the antenna to the device. I tried to check one FM filter working 88 megahertz to 108 megahertz. This is exactly the regular FM broadcasting frequency with the normal radio. You can have it. The reason that we are using this filter is filter the regular radio stations when the station is too close to your location, or any FM transmitter for the audio is too close to you and you are going to test the signal and the frequencies, and surely you need to block this frequency to find out exactly the best resolution for your electro-smoke meter or detector. So I tried, as I said, a lot of detectors like this. This also working from 1 megahertz to 10 gigahertz. This is also amazing one, and it's very simple. You are able to connect this PCB simple detector to any amplifier or to any detector device, and you can exactly see the result over the LCD or feel the noise from the audio amplifier. I made this amplifier the simple one, and I used this amplifier from Germany. I traveled from US to Germany and take this from Corenet company. This is very good, and it's exactly protected with resin, and also a 9-volt battery is good enough for this project. And this speaker is especially I take from Corenet company. So the 9-volt battery is connected to the AUX cable, and everything is ready to going for test. To test, I try to make one AUX output that originally will not come to this device, but it's very simple to make this auxiliary pin for this device. You need to do this because of the normal speaker coming with the Corenet is not helping you to detect all noise. And you can see when you connect this output to any amplifier, you can feel exactly frequencies, but the noise, like the FM transmitter or radio TV stations, will make some problem for your test. And I used this simple filter to block this noise, and also this is my AUX cable to the homemade amplifier. And after connecting this to the project, we need to switch the detector from LCD to audio based. It's very easy. Just press the hold button and then press the first button and cancel the whole situation. Exactly, you can feel the frequency. This is my remote console and the frequency is from 133. Right now I'm pressing, you can see exactly I have light, and also you can check the graph exactly. It's working pretty well. Thanks for watching. Take care when you are making this IOX part for the Corenet device, because of it's very sensitive and you may make problem for the calibrate, and also the warranty will remove if you turn the screwdriver over here, and you should say goodbye to warranty if you are going to open the screwdriver, the screws with the screwdriver. You can see 1 megahertz to 8 gigahertz, and that module I showed you is working up to 10 gigahertz like this. Thanks for watching, and hope to enjoy the simple SDR rtl FM filter. Thank you.